In today's video, we are going to learn how we can find referral code on Temu app. So let's just go ahead with the process and find out how to do it. So if you want to find referral code on Temu app, you need to follow up this method and you should be able to find those. So let's just get started. So for that, head over to Temu first and you need to be logged in. Once you are logged in, you'll be finding this interface. So all you need to do is go ahead and tap on this U tab in the middle and open this space. And once you open the space, head over to the settings option at the top right corner. Just go ahead and open up the settings. And from the settings, you need to go ahead and locate this option called Share This App. And from here, in order to get the referral, all you need to do is use this option in order to share it to different applications. Or you can directly copy the link. For example, I'm directly head over to WhatsApp. And then just go ahead and select up the person from WhatsApp. And after that, tap on send, and there you go. That is how you send the referral code on Temu app. So that is how you do it. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.